Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations, and there's a reason that people call this 5-tier display rack absolutely perfect. Let's go ahead, check it out, and kick it off right about now. Now first I want to point out the variety of colors this comes in. They've got everything from a pink shelf to kind of a wood grain. There's a light blue, black, brown, marble, walnut. So pick out the one that's best for your display. What are you displaying? How do you want to show it off? This thing looks absolutely perfect in the corner of your room, and hopefully we'll show you some very up close and personal pictures of it so you can decide if this one is for you. But yeah, it's definitely my choice, and I think it's going to be yours as well. So you're going to want to go ahead and pick it up. All right, now, what are the options here? You can get the 3-tier round, the 5-tier round, a 4-tier round. You can get the classic tube style in 3, 4, or 5 tier as well. Now, the shelves themselves are actually a carb-compliant composite wood, and the tubes are PVC. Now, what's so great about that carb-compliant composite is not going to have issues if it gets wet, so it's going to make for a very good plant shelf if that's what you're looking to do. My friend Amy enjoys hers. She's got some spathiphyllum on hers and has no problem. She puts a few herbs on it and keeps it in the corner of the kitchen. It seems to make a great display shelf, but it's also perfect because there's no issues if a little bit of water gets on that carb-compliant composite wood. The PVC tubes are actually very lightweight and sturdy, and if you're asking about assembly, well, guess what? It takes about 5 minutes. They advertise that even a kid can assemble. It's a sturdy, flat surface, and it holds up to 15 pounds per shelf with a dimension, the one I'm looking at, of about 11 inches by 11 inches. So it's a pretty good sized shelf. When people talk about it, they rave about the ease of assembly, giving it 4.7 out of 5. The space, the fact that it's ultra lightweight, and the overall storage capacity. You're turning a little corner of your house or office into an area that you can store a lot of stuff, and it's going to look nice. Now, I can imagine that if you've got a kid's room or you've got a guy's office, maybe a man cave, this would be great for some action figures or favorite classic toys, maybe sports memorabilia. You can easily adjust the height as well. If you buy the 5-tier, you can just use 3 or 4, 1 or 2. You can split this basically into various shelves. So there's an advantage there. Furinno, let me tell you a little bit about the manufacturer. They introduce ready-to-assemble modern furniture to the consumer in the Americas, providing an affordable, high-quality product. As the global RTA manufacturer, exporter, and supplier of RTA furniture, Furinno always strives for excellence and innovation. They've been around for a long time, and I always like it when I find a company that cares about their brand and reputation, so you know they're going to be producing good stuff. You're not going to get a dud. They want you to come back and get more. This is one that they've got a ton of stuff, and you're going to wind up liking this so much you're going to get a few different variations for different rooms. Smart design, easy to assemble, no tools, unique structure, open display racks, easy storage, and carb compliant, if I didn't explain it already, is it's a wood that carries kind of a certification from the Forest Stewardship Council that they're not just cutting down rainforest to make this fantastic product. So anyway, folks, if you're looking for an absolutely fantastic product, this one is great for you. It's a little lightweight. It'll go great in a bathroom for your toilet paper and toiletries and get that up off the ground. I'm a big fan, and I think you will be as well. Go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. You can actually pick up 2 or 3 of these, put them side by side at different heights, and make kind of a fun shelving unit. All right. Thanks for watching. Pick yours up and adios, amigos.